Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to enable the double and triple tap features on your iPhone to give your phone more functionality. Please bear in mind that this feature is only available on the iPhone 8 and later. We'll begin by going to the Settings button, then scroll down the list until you get to Accessibility. Next up, go to Touch, and from here scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you'll see Back Tap. Press that. We have two options, double tap and triple tap. We'll start with double tap. And now we have a list of actions which can be performed when you double tap the back of the screen. For a double tap, I shall select Home. We go back. For triple tap, I'll select Control Center. So let's go to the home screen and we'll test this out just by tapping on the back of the screen. So let's start with a triple tap. And as you can see, the control center is duly put on the screen. Let's try a double. And there we have the home screen. So I hope this has helped you out. Leave a note in the comments and let me know what actions you're going to be performing with a double or triple tap. Thank you very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.